In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you split payments on the Walmart app? And I'm going to be showing you the entire process. So the answer to your question is yes, and Walmart actually makes it really convenient for customers to use split payments through the Walmart mobile app. So to start with, you want to open up the Walmart app, and you can just head to this services section at the bottom, and then look for Walmart Pay, which we can find up here. From there, you can select Walmart Pay, and you can choose from various payment options, including gift cards, credit cards, debit cards, and a whole bunch of other options. So from here, you have two options. You can either register your Visa gift card on the app, and then add a credit card for the remaining balance, or you can directly split the payment by paying part of the bill with one method, and the rest by using Walmart Pay. This flexibility basically allows you to use up any extra gift cards or other payment methods without any hassle. So to answer your question, yes, you can split payments on the Walmart app, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.